This is a 2008 Pontiac G6. It features a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a sport suspension, heated front seats, a low tire pressure indicator, an 8-speaker stereo system, XM satellite radio, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, an equalizer, leather seats, performance tires, a rear spoiler, OnStar, keyless entry, and chrome wheels. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Suburban Ford of Sterling Heights is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 40333 Van Dyke Avenue in Sterling Heights.